So welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I post content around social media marketing, promoting online, videos, videography, video editing. I post around that. So if that's something that interests you, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell notification as well, if that is something that interests you. So today is a bit of a different video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the K06 selfie stick integrated tripod. Killer of a name, I know. Could have surely come up with something better than that. But on the other hand, this product packs a punch for beginners. And for the price that it is as well is outstanding. So I'm going to be speaking to you about the features of this product, how it's helping me currently with creating videos. So hopefully this is going to help you, even if it's just general use, or it's coming up to Christmas, so it could be a great buy for you. Look at that. Makeshift tripod. So first looks at this, it looks small, compact, it's easy to store. When I use it, I just put it in my pocket, so I go out for runs, so it's very lightweight to carry around. It's got a nice black finish with a chrome mirror there. So you can see here on the grip, so it's very nicely, it has like these spots here to help you get a better grip of the handle. So when you're walking around shooting, pulling out the legs to the tripod, 3 legs there so it can stand. So one thing to bear in mind when setting this up is if you use it to the full extension, which is 70 centimeters, be aware of the weight distribution on the legs. Because I done this and I had it up to the full, I had the iPhone holder leaning over to one side. It wasn't over one of the legs, so it actually started to tip, nearly broke my phone, and I nearly got really upset. So that's one thing to bear in mind when setting this up. Looking at the iPhone holder, it's very easy to adjust and move to whichever angle and height that you want. You'll see from here, you can just, so if you've got a bigger phone, so you'll just simply pull out the lever to then catch. So turns 360. So what this is handy for, so if you want to shoot in portrait mode, so you stick the phone in portrait. So this could be useful for apps like TikTok, Instagram story as well, because that's the shooting mode that they, that's what they mostly use. If you're shooting for YouTube, you want it in landscape, so you can change that to landscape as well. Now you'll see in there, you have the grooves, which you get better grip with the iPhone going in. So I normally take my iPhone out of the case and then put it straight in. If you're using the camera front facing, which I don't really do much because, like I said, this is going to be better to use. So I'm not looking at myself constantly. It's a smaller distraction rather than the big front facing camera when you record. Also, the camera quality of the back camera is 10 times better than the front facing camera. You can adjust the settings. I've made another video about that as well. So if you want to have a view of that, it shows how you can change the settings of the camera to get better video quality. You may have seen there's something missing here, which is by far one of the features that I probably only learned today because I was making this video. And I've also been using it throughout the whole video as well. That's why it's been missing from there. So it has been very, very useful to do it. It's this magnificent thing. Now this is a Bluetooth remote. Now this is going to be great and I can't wait to use it because it's coming up to Christmas. When you're all trying to get in a photo and you've got to press the timer and you've all got to run over and try and take a photo, well, this is going to solve that because of this button. So if you've got your stand, your tripod, sorry. So if you've got the tripod sitting here, now you could be standing over here, bam, 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 and you can take it from the distance. Now, what I want to do is actually test how far this will go. In there, forget about the brew. So what I'm going to do is trigger the camera. So I'm just going to test it now to see how far we can get. So as you see from there, it's quite a distance. I might do another video where it shows a bit further, but that's probably more than enough from what you need really. Trigger. Oh, nearly broke it. So, hope that you enjoyed that video. If you did enjoy it and you like the product review, I'll probably be doing more as I use more equipment. But if you did enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.